If we now wanted to know something about music, we have various kind of institutions we can go to. Most of them also have an appearance on the web. So we have large libraries on music sheets, for instance, or we have modern broadcasting archives, which for a country or for certain specific areas have a lot of recordings. But there is no place where we actually can go to and see connections between those different traces of musical heritage.
The great point of Polifonia is that we have many experts. We have musicologists, we have computer scientists, we have linguists, and I think this is extremely useful in order to address the problem of music accessibility.
The Polifonia project will be able to exploit many different connections that are usually unseen by using usual technologies.
The Polifonia knowledge graph will allow us to interconnect and link a lot of different data in different formats and actually in different kinds of media.
A knowledge graph is like a map, a network. Is a network where the nodes are objects.
Once we have all this knowledge represented in this, graph shape, it's much easier to discover through, automation and AI techniques to discover relationships that we did not know existed between all these different sources. And we can think of this across different modes, right? So linking music to text, linking music to images, to people, to places, and really unveil all this big bag of connections.
We believe that theory is nothing universal and nothing which can be used without any context. And we see that through the lenses of these different theories, we are able to uncover different aspects that may be conflicting of the internal coherence, the internal consistency, and the internal meaning of these works.
I hope that we're able to come up with interesting interfaces that relate to the pilots that do exactly this, to make the connections visible but also explorable, so that people can have a personalized experience based on their particular interests.
By having such a rich, sophisticated and semantic resource, we will also be able to understand and provide access to many more people about how musical heritage has been interpreted and experienced throughout the ages. So this will probably allow us to create more cross-cultural and multimodal investigations of how music has been part of the human experience.